probably good for right now. Just give them time. Because you don't want to suffocate them.
Okay, I don't know how much to do.
Yeah, they'll go back in there.
You want to peek in on them?
No, you don't want to peek in on them.
Make sure they're okay.
Yeah, I think they're okay. Let's look back here. Get this under here, but don't break the seal on this lid.
Oh, okay.
Be gentle. Okay, good.
Uh-oh. There's a seal down there. I think we just smushed some.
Yeah, you did. Stop. Stop.
Nope, nope.
Stop. Stop.
Nope, nope.
None of it's sealed. That's why we got to put the strap on. It's okay. If it breaks the seal, then they...
There's a couple bees out. Are they pissed?
Yes. We can smoke them so they won't bother us.
God damn it, man. Sorry.
Oh, no, it happens. It's all right.
We probably smushed at least 5 of them.
It sounded really good. Now, where did the other side? Sorry, it just... Oh.
Screw you, bro. Get out of here.
Oh, guess what?
Here, come here. Oh, no, that's fine.
This one isn't long enough.
Oh, I like jokes.
Can we just tie it together with the long one then?
Yes.
Oh,
And then
there's one pissed off one.
Yes.
We just tie it?
he doesn't know how to get back in the hive.
I don't know if tying's going to be good.
I know, buddy. You want to get back in that hive.
Okay, let's...
I know.
Can we just strap it? Put the strap under there again. If we just slide it a little and not tip it, maybe.
Okay. I'm not sure if you're...
Here, will you set it back?
Well,
light
you could
back
do
here?
it. Oh, shit. Yeah, they're getting pissed. Oh, gotcha, dude. Sorry.
Well, I'm just glad I got one.
Oh, ow. Dick.
I got another one.
You know what? He's probably going towards your light.
We're out of smoke. Nope. They are dive bombing. They dive bomb, dude. Like, oh, fuck your ass first.
I think the more you probably squirm around, the more they're probably going to get you.
They're going right after that light, too. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's turn lights out.
Okay.
You take that.
Okay.
Where's my phone?
That is yours.
That's my foot. There's a bee on me. Ow! I just punched myself in the face with the fucking phone. Cause it's
Wait, let me do it. But...
Ow! God damn it! Fuck! That was a sensitive spot, asshole. Ah! Sorry. That one got on my ear. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
I guess got stung 3 fucking times.
Turn light